The government yesterday notified the 23,000 crore scheme to promote domestic manufacturing of electronics components, including display and camera modules, multi-layer printed circuit boards and more. It is likely to be operationalized in a few weeks. But what does it mean for the domestic manufacturing industry? Sumita Karir now joins us with the highlights. Sumita, over to you.
Well, the electronics manufacturing component scheme approved in March is all set to be rolled out in 2 to 3 weeks. A scheme with an outlay of over 22,000 crores is part of India's push to give a boost to domestic manufacturing by boosting the country's components ecosystem and reducing dependence on imports. Now, who all stand to benefit? Well, EMS and PCBA companies, component makers, mobile phone and electronics players and passive component players. Now, this scheme will have a tenure of 6 years and 1 year as gestation period. This will offer incentives under 3 categories. Number 1, a turnover-linked incentive. Then there will be a capex-linked incentive and a hybrid model that involve the above two. Now, companies that will be required to make cumulative investments in the range of 10 crore to 1,000 crores for turnover-linked incentive, and that incentive will range from 1 to 10%. In fact, IT Minister Ashwini Vaishnav also stated that incentives will be tied to job creation, so that's an important aspect of the scheme. Moreover, over the next 6 years, the scheme should attract $7 billion worth of investments into the manufacturing ecosystem. Remember, this scheme follows the PLI scheme for large-scale electronics manufacturing, which led to smartphone exports hitting a record 2 lakh crore mark in FY25.
Third phase of our growth. We started with just the finished goods, then the sub-assemblies, and now the components. And what we are announcing is basically a horizontal scheme in the sense that electronics components which will be supported under this scheme will go into consumer electronics, medical electronics, power electronics, automobiles, in electrical grids, in practically every component it will go, which means this will give a big boost to many sectors. This will have a multiplier impact for many sectors.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.